Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn remaining problems in 3.5, which is related to LCM, least common multiple, verbal problems. Find the smallest number which when added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18. That means one smallest number which is divisible by 3 numbers means the remainder must be 0. That number, find that number we have to find out. And what number if you add to 5, that number is equal to this divisible number. Which number if you add to 5, you will get exact divisible number. Which number to add 5, you will get actual exact divisible number by 12, 14, 18. That means first we have to find out smallest number exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18. Exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18. Smallest number means what we have to take? LCM. Then solution numbers 12, 14, 18. Smallest number which is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18 is equal LCM of 12, 14, 18. Means here smallest number exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18. Suppose if you take 36, it goes in 12 and 18 but not goes in 14. If you take 56, it goes in only 14, not goes in 12 and 18. Like that, which smallest number is divisible by 3 numbers? Means what we have to find out? LCM. Now 12, 14, 18. Then 2 table goes 2 6 are, 2 7s are, 2 9s are. Again 3 table. 3 2s are, 3 not goes as it is number. 3 3s are 9. Now 2 7 3 all are prime numbers. Then we can write LCM is equal 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 7s are 84, 84 into 3, 250. Means before 252, any number not divisible by 3 numbers exactly. Then 252 is the number, smallest number which is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18. What is the meaning of exactly divisible? The remainder must be 0. Now, but what he is asking? Smallest number which when added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18. But he is not asking exactly divisible number. Which number if you add 5, you will get exactly divisible number. Means smallest number which when added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18. We don't want exact number, but what he is asking, when you add one number to 5, you will get exactly divisible number. That means you have to subtract from 250 to 5. Now 247. Then if you add 247 and 5, if you add 247 plus 5, You will get 252. 252 is exactly divisible by number. But he is not asking exactly divisible number. What he is asking, when you add one number to 5, you have to get exactly divisible number of 12, 14, 18. That means, what is the exact divisible number by 12, 14, 18? 252. But we don't want that. When you will add 5 to 247, then only you will get 252. Then what is that smallest number? Which one added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14, 18? 252 minus 5, 247. If you add 247 plus 5, you will get 252. Then that 247 is the smallest number. When you add 5, you will get exactly divisible number by 12, 14, 18. Next, Prasad and Raju met in the market on 1st of this month. Prasad goes to market every third day and Raju goes every fourth day. On what day of the month will they meet again? Now, two friends are there, Prasad and Raju. Prasad and Raju goes to market and they met 1st of this month. They met 1st of this month. Next time when they will meet. But Prasad and Raju are not going to market every day. Prasad goes to market third day. Raju goes to market on fourth day. Then which day they will meet in the market? Means we have to find out the LCM of 3 and 4. Because third day Prasad going to market every third day. Raju goes every fourth day. Then if you find out the LCM of Prasad and Raju, then you will get the common multiple. Means common day when they will meet in the market, common day we will get. Now, Prasad goes to the market every third day. Raju goes to the market every fourth day. LCM of 3, 4 is equal 3 into 4, 12. Means every 12th day, they will meet in market. Every 12th day they will meet in market. Now first when they met first. Prasad and Raju met 1st of this month. Again they will meet on 13th and 25th of this month. Because see, every 12 days they will meet. Every 12th day they will meet in market. Now first when they met, 1st of this month they met. After 12 days means 1st plus 12 days means 13 days. Then 13th of the month. Next again 12 days, 25th. Now 13th and 25th of this month they will meet again. Means here Prasad and Raju met in the market on 1st of this month. Raju is going to market every third day. Prasad going to market every third day. Raju going to market every fourth day. On what day of the month they will meet again? Means if the Raju, Now Prasad, suppose Prasad going to third day, means third day, sixth day, ninth day, 12th day, 15th day, like that he will go. Now Raju, fourth day, 8th day, 12th day, 16th day, 20th day, like that he will go. Now, what is the common multiple here? Smallest common multiple? 12. Now, 12th day they will meet. Now, what is the LCM 3 and 4? 3 4s are 12 because both are co-primes. Then co-primes LCM is their product. 3 4s are 12. Now, every 12th day they will meet in market. Now, Prasad and Raju met first of this month. Again they will meet on 13th and 25th of this month. Means first after 12 days. Means 1 plus 12, 13th. Then again 13th plus 12, 25th. Now they will meet both of you on 13th of this month and 25th of this month. Now homework. Fourth question. Find the greatest 3-digit number which when divided by 75, 45, 60 leaves no remainder. Means you have to do the LCM of 75, 45, 60. Now, no remainder means exactly LCM value is no remainder. That is the greatest 3-digit number when not leaves any remainder. Then if you add 4 to that LCM, that number, that greatest 3-digit is divisible by 75, 45, 60 leaves the remainder 4 in each case, means you have to add 4 to LCM. Then first you have to find out the LCM of 75, 45, 60. That is the greatest 3-digit number which when divided by 75, 45, 60. That is no remainder, means that is divisible number. No remainder means divisible number. Then that is LCM only. LCM of 75, 35, 60. But second question what he is asking? The remainder 4 in each case. Then you have to add LCM to 4. That is the second answer. Next, there are 3 measuring tapes, 64, 72, 96. What is the least length that can be measured by any of these tapes exactly? Means you have to find out the least length. Least length means what we have to do? LCM. LCM of 64, 72, 96. Then you will get least length can be measured by 3 tapes exactly. Means when you will that length, that LCM you will get some length. That length if you measure with the 64 centimeter tape or 72 or 96, there is no centimeter measurement will left. That's why that means that tapes exactly divisible number, sorry, that is the least length that can be measured of any of these tapes exactly. Exactly means the remainder must be 0. That means when you measure one measurement with 64 tape or 72 tape or 96 centimeter tape, the measurement should not be left. Means how you will get that length? You have to do the LCM. This is the homework.